Hey y'all, I received a Hair Botox sample by Nutree, and I'm so excited to show you this transformation. First, I started out with the Amazon List Detox Shampoo to cleanse the hair. One of the benefits to getting a Hair Botox is that it helps to repair damaged hair. Look at how defined those curls are. Another benefit is that there is no use of harsh chemicals like relaxer or keratin, so it doesn't permanently straighten your curls or cause burns. After applying the Botox, we sat her under the dryer for about 30 minutes, rinsed her out, and then gave her a blowout. The Hair Botox is a thermal, multi-control, deep conditioning hair mask. So I parted her hair in small sections and flat ironed it using the chasing method. Her hair came out so soft, smooth, light, healthy, shiny, and straight. Hair Botox is safe for all hair types, chemically treated, colored, grays, you name it. Lasts up to 3 months. Thank you, Nutree, for giving me an alternative solution to longer lasting straight hair. We'll be getting more.